PSBC990 setup here. This one has got the single extractor on. Here it is. And a lot of them come now with two, one either side, which is better because you can put it against the wall and it doesn't take up so much of a footprint in your workshop. But obviously it takes up more room on the sides. But with this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a quick blast using this one, and then I'm going to change it and I'm going to put this blaster on it. It's the new Cyclone Dust Extractor that I've just had in. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, so I've got a piece in there, just going to blast it using glass speed. Probably could do a changing already. Well, I don't know. Maybe a bit of life left in it. So the reason for this demonstration is to see how the dust collects in the air using one extractor, and then I will change to the other one. So I can get that. I've got gloves stuck on some. Very useless at this malarkey. Put that there, and you'll also notice the noise difference. So I'm going to turn the extractor on now. There you go. I'm just going to blast this for a couple of minutes. And see what happens with visibility. Alright, here we go. Okay, getting a bit dusty already. Let's see it. That'll do for a minute. Yeah, right, that'll do. Stop that there a second. And then let's open the door and have a look. Let's see it. Too bad though, to be honest. Yeah, you can see it floating about in there. Okay. And the lights. So I'll turn that off, and now I'll fit the Cyclone Dust Extractor. Hopefully it'll show. I won't change the media or nothing. I'm not going to change anything at all about it apart from the dust extractor. We'll see how we get on. Right, okay, back to this. What I've done is the new extractor. It's supposed to be a lot more powerful, uses less power, and it's a lot quieter. So what I did, I took off the single extractor that was on the back. And obviously with this one I had to drill 4 holes to fit that plate. And there it is. So we'll turn it on so you can hear it. That's a lot quieter, you can hear it sucking in there. But that's what I do with my vape. Well, anyway, it's not for sucking anything, it's for media. So I'm going to go and turn my extractor on and we'll have another play. I meant to say my compressor. So, straight away you'll notice how quiet it is. Right, that's what we did before. Let's carry on here. There we go. So again, all we're looking at is the dust. And how quick it clears. Just blasting. Look at this shit. No, around here. Find it hard to hold the hose. Right, try again. Oh yeah, that's clearing a lot quicker. And keep going because I want to see where the media goes. At least you can still see where I'm working. Right, mark about, let's see what happens in here in a minute. Here, and you can see it, yeah. Don't know if you can, oh, look at that. Look how, what did that take? Couple of seconds, look at that. Well done. Right. Back to it, make it dusty again. Blasting away. Right. A bit more. Okay, there we are. That'll do for a minute. Right. Oh, that down there. Awesome. Yes. Let's have a look inside. Pretty much clear. It's great that. Compared to the other one. It's not noisy either. Cool. And there it is. Let's have a look. I'll open up the doors and have a look. Oh. Let me turn that. That's the only thing, is a lot of air comes out of here, so that might probably want some ducting or something. Turn this off. This door here has a big filter. I know they're changing the design on these clips. Big filter in there, look at that. Don't know what this door's for, because let's have a look, open it and find out if there's anything in it. Nothing. Right. Close them. Big old filter that, isn't it? Put that across. Close that. And that. Now we'll have a look around the back. See what this is. So, oh, I see. There's the media. Right. Okay. Oh. There's the media in the bottom of that. So I'm guessing that'll be the ship. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Rubbish. Just chuck that away. Cool. There we are. I'm happy with that. They're about 400 quid then, mind. Just for that. And what I'm doing, I'm getting this cabinet here made, fitted with one of these. So we'll see what the pricing comes in at those. Complete cabinet. About 2.4 I think, something like that maybe. I'm not quite sure. I'm still in negotiations with the factory on that. But there you go. Hope that helps showing off the new extractor. I'm pleased with it. They are listed on my website already, which is www.sandblasters.co.uk. If you've got any questions, you can always drop me an email, which is info@sandblasters.co.uk, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was a bit long, but I'm not a professional at camera work or anything, but there you go. Have a good day.